As organizations move to digital solutions, many are replacing human laborers with robots, mostly for efficiency or cost-saving reasons. But how do human employees respond to working alongside their new robotic counterparts, which sometimes break down, stop suddenly, or malfunction? By conducting over 100 interviews with workers at 2 manufacturing companies, researchers discovered that as humans work with new technology, they look for ways to restore a sense of their work meaningfulness. In both companies, workers initially feared that robots would eventually replace them entirely. In addition to uncertainty over their future job prospects, workers had to contend with uncertainty created by unreliable robots. Many workers described robots as annoying or silly due to their frequent breakdowns and malfunctions. But as time passed, workers learned that robots could not function without them. They often had to fix robots to make them useful. Some workers even discussed outsmarting the robots by finding workarounds to keep the production line going. Ironically, the practice of outsmarting robots, although controversial, fueled an unexpected outcome among workers. They perceived humans as even more vital to the manufacturing process after automation than they did before. Adding meaningfulness back to a job they were worried might be lost forever. Theoretically, these findings show a new path to meaning at work, learning the unique value of human contribution. Curious about how humans are working with robots in the workplace? If so, then you'll definitely want to read this paper.